Chairman Meghalaya State Planning Board and MLA MDC of Nongkrem constituency, Sri Lambor Malyang today inaugurated the community hall of Mawtharia village in Pomlakrai in the presence of PT Pasar BDO Millennium CNRD block. The community hall was constructed under SWRP 2019-2020. Speaking on the occasion, Sri Malyang expressed happiness over the completion of the community hall as it will greatly benefit the people. Acknowledging that Mawtharia has been neglected, he informed that many developmental activities such as installation of street lights, Greater Pomlakrai water supply scheme, construction of a school building, etc. are being initiated and the work will commence following the finalization of the proposal. Shri P. Pasar praised the Dorbashnong of Mawtharia for the exemplary role played in combating the COVID-19 pandemic, particularly when one of the residents of the village was tested positive way back in May. The community participation, leadership and responsibility shouldered by the Dorbashnong and the village as a whole has led to the replication of Mawtharia model through the setting of community COVID management teams in all districts of the state, he informed. The program was attended by the headman of the village, executive member of the Dorbashnong and local residents.